Okay children, next problem here, equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us take the next problem here. Two women and five men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken one man alone. Here work done by some women and some men, together it is given. There are two conditions are given. By using those two conditions children, here we have to find the same work can be completed by one woman and one man. So let us consider here, let us take the number of days taken by one woman to complete work as x number of days. One woman completes in x number of days, and the number of days taken by one man to complete that work in y days. Is that clear? This is the number of days taken by one woman and one man. Here work done by one man, one woman in 1 day. These are the number of days. In 1 day, how much work they are going to do? They are going to do work 1 by x days. 1 day work it is. So work done by one man as 1 by y. Here there are two conditions, the children. Let us take the conditions one by one. Here the first condition. According to first condition, 2 women and 5 men. 2 women and 5 men together can finish embroidery work in 4 days. But we have to calculate the work done by one woman to complete in how many number of days, and one man takes how many number of days here. So one work done by one woman is equals to 1 by x. So work done by, here 2 women are there, 2 women are given. We need to calculate the work done by 2 women's, only one woman's, how much she works. So to calculate that one, we have to divide this number of women's by number of days, then it gives only one man's work. Together means sum. 5 men's means we have to take only one man. So one man's work in how many days? Number of days we have taken here y days. So one man's work done is equals to 5 by y. Together they are taken how many days? 4 days. So work done in 1 day, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So together they have taken the 4 days. We have to calculate the 1 day work. If we calculate 1 day work, then it becomes very easy to simplify. So here this is the first condition. Here I will take 1 by x. 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. If I take like this, then it becomes 2a plus 5b is equals to 1 by 4, is equals to 1 by 4. Simplify this one by cross multiplying, it becomes 8a plus 20b is equals to 1, is equals to 1. This is our first equation children's. After reducing it to the standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables, after reducing it in the standard form, let us apply for the next condition. Here 3 women means we need to calculate only one woman's work. So one woman's work becomes condition number 2. In condition number 2, we need to calculate one woman's work. So one woman's work becomes 3 divided by x, together means plus 6 men. 6 men means we need to calculate only one man's work. So 6 divided by y, together they are going to take 3 days. Out of 3 days we have to calculate only 1 day work. So it becomes 1 by 3. Simplify this one again by cross multiplying. If we cross multiply this, then it becomes r. Here we have taken 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Then this equation becomes 3a plus 6b is equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiply this one, then it becomes 9a plus 18b is equals to 1 is equals to 1 by, this is after by reducing the equations to the standard form. So this is our equation number 2. This is our equation number 2. Now solve equation number 1 and 2 by any one of the method. Elimination method, substitution method or cross multiplication method. You can use any one of the method among them. Here I will solve these two equations by elimination method. So the first equation is 8a plus 20b is equals to 1. Here second equation is 9a plus 18b is equals to 1. Here the coefficients of variables are not same. So to make them same, here I will multiply the first equation by 9 and the second equation by 8. If I multiply these two equations, then it becomes the first equation 8 9s are 72a plus 29s are 180b is equals to 9, and the second equation becomes 72a plus 18 8s are 144b is equals to 8, 8 1s are 8. If we solve these two equations simultaneously, children, here let us solve these two equations simultaneously. So if we solve these two, 72a plus 180b is equals to 9 and 72a plus 144b is equals to 8. Change this sign. 72a plus 72a minus 72a get cancels. Here 180b minus 144b is equals to 36b is equals to 1. 36b is equals to 1. So b is equals to 1 by 36. b is equals to 1 by 36. b is equals to 1 by 36 means here b we have taken 1 by y. So b is what? 1 by y. 1 by y is equals to 1 by 36. So simplify this one, y is equals to 36. Y is equals to 36. So number of days taken by one woman to complete that work is 36 days. Sorry, men is 36 days. We need to calculate women's work then. To calculate women's work, substitute this one in any one of the equation. Here I will substitute that equation, value of y in the second equation to get the work done by women. Here I will substitute in this equation, that is a 3 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 1 by 3. So this implies 3 by x plus 6 by 36 is equals to 1 by 3. 3 1s are 6 1s are 6, 6 are 36. So simplify this one. If we simplify that one, 3 by ax plus 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by 3. So 3 by ax is equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So 3 divided by x is equals to, take the LCM, LCM is 6, 3 2s are 6, 1s are 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1. So this is equals to 1 by 6. So cross multiply these two, x into 1 is ax, 3 into 6 is 18. So one man alone can complete in one woman can alone complete in 18 days and one man can alone complete work in 36 days, children. So this is how we can calculate the verbal problem by reducing them into the standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables, children. Thank you.